Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Chime's early direct deposit feature. In order to use this feature, you'll have to follow the simple steps. So what you'll need to do is basically, you could see that to use the early deposit feature, you could go ahead and open up your Chime checking account. Next thing you want to do is set up a direct deposit with your employer. So you have to do it with a mutual understanding. You have to do it with consultant to the employer. After that, you can enroll into a Chime's My Pay program if you qualify. And once you've actually done it, so then you need to go ahead and open the Chime app. After that, you need to select Move Money, then click on Direct Deposit, and Chime will email you a pre-filled direct deposit form to give you employer. So this way you'll have successfully used your Chime's early deposit feature. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.